There are currently more than 69,000 valid red notices issued by Interpol. Criminals can flee to another country to try to evade justice, and here comes the role of Interpol Red Notice, which alerts police worldwide about internationally wanted fugitives. What is a red notice? What information does it contain? What are the offences for which red notice may not be issued? Who do the red notice target? Can I find out if a red notice has been issued for me? These and other questions will be answered in the next video. This channel is the world of international law and human rights. What is a red notice? A red notice is a request to law enforcement worldwide to locate and provisionally arrest a person pending extradition, surrender, or similar legal action. What information does it contain? It contains two main types of information. Information to identify the wanted person, such as their name, date of birth, nationality, hair and eye color, photographs and fingerprints if available, and information related to the crime they are wanted for, which can typically be murder, rape, child abuse, or armed robbery. Red notices are published by Interpol at the request of a member country and must comply with Interpol's constitution and rules. In other words, when Interpol receives a specific request to place a red notice on a person, it must ensure that there are no political motives, for example, behind that request. List of specific offences for which red notice may not be issued. According to Interpol, a red notice cannot be issued in relation to some categories of crimes that, in various countries, raise controversial issues relating to behavioral or cultural norms such as adultery, surrogacy, selling pornography, possession of drugs for personal use, polygamy, abortion, euthanasia, driving without a license, violating labor law, driving under the influence of alcohol unless such behavior led to physical harm or of other individuals, or issuing unfunded checks and other crimes. Who are the subjects of red notice? Red notice are issued for fugitives wanted either for prosecutions or to serve a sentence. This follows the judicial proceedings in the countries issuing the request. This is not always the home country of the individuals, but the country where the crime was committed. When a person is sought for prosecution, they have not been convicted and such or should be considered innocent until proven guilty. A person sought to serve a sentence means that they have been found guilty by a court in the issuing country. Are the individuals wanted by Interpol? The answer is no. They are wanted by a country or an international tribunal such as International Criminal Court (ICC). Interpol cannot compel the law enforcement authorities in any country to arrest someone who is the subject of a red notice. Each member country decides what legal value it gives to a red notice and the authority of their law enforcement officers to make arrests. Can I find out if a red notice has been issued for me? Yes, you can contact the Commission for the Control of Interpol's Files, CCF, an independent body. Applications to CCF are free of charge and treated confidentially. Practical experience has proven that the red notice is one of the most effective and powerful methods of combating international crimes and prosecuting criminals wherever they are. Many thanks.